Meta's shifting gears, and the impact is huge. After pouring billions into augmented reality, Meta Platforms is closing its AR studio Metaspark in a strategic move to double down on AI. Let's break down what this means for the future of tech. Metaspark, once poised to rival Snapchat's popular filters, allowed developers to create digital effects for Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger. But come January 14th, 2025, Metaspark will close its doors. You know why? Meta is pivoting to new horizons, specifically AI. Despite losing a staggering $50 billion on AR and VR products, Meta isn't giving up. Instead, they're redirecting resources to innovations like smart glasses and advanced AI technologies. CEO Mark Zuckerberg has made it clear that AI is Meta's top priority for 2024, with plans to invest up to $40 billion in AI infrastructure. Curious about what's next for Meta and the AI landscape? Check out full article in the description. Subscribe to All About AI to stay ahead in the world of AI. See you in the next video.